So hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about this 5 cloud host service. Okay, so I'm in their official page. Okay, this is a very big article where they can show what you get in this service, and here you can see stop wasting money on bad hosting that's killing your business instantly. Unlock 5 years of blazing fast, user friendly and extremely reliable website hosting for as little as 2 cents per day. I will show you the price of this cloud host, how much cost if you buy this hosting. Okay, so here you can see this is a video presentation. If you want to watch this video, then I leave a link in the description. Click the link and watch this video. Okay, and also I highly recommend you to watch read this article. This is a very long article. Here you can see pick your server location. They have 2 server location, one is United States and another one is European Union. Okay, so choose according to your interest. Okay, so you can see 100% of time, easy to use cPanel. Okay, one click installation. Okay, you can install WordPress with a single click, and they have 450 plus application with one click installation. Here you can see WordPress, Magneto, WooCommerce. Okay, affiliate marketing friendly. Okay, dedicated support. Okay, here you can see the 24/7 support available on this server. Okay, industry leading security. Okay, free migration, zero recurring cost. Okay, so today you will get 5 year of pro level cloud hosting for a low one-time fee. Okay, if you buy this hosting today, you get 5-year subscription in just one price. Okay, so here you can see what they're offering in their hosting. Here you can see daily backup, free SSL certificate, so you no need to waste your money on SSL certificate because they are giving it for free. Firewall and WAF, virus malware protection, unlimited bandwidth, email, subdomains. Okay, one click CDN, Cloudflare, one click app installation, multiple PHP version. Okay, powered by cPanel. Okay, they are all offering in their hosting service. Okay, this is perfect for product launches, affiliate marketer, beginners, or those who are started blogging. Okay, here you can see the testimonial of the customers. Okay, here you can see my customers did experience a single minute of downtime since I moved my service over to 5 cloud host. Truly the best, Peter Miller said. Okay, here is the Jean Paul Austin said 5 cloud host helped me when I was. Okay, sir. So if you want to read this, I leave a link in the description. Click the link and read all the things in this page. Okay, so you get better knowledge. So here you can see 30 days money back guarantee. So if you not satisfied with this service, or you're not getting what they are saying, then you just contact them and claim for refund. They will refund your money what you paid for this service. Okay, so here you can see the prices. Okay, the basic one, and this comes with 3 segment. One is $47, $97 and $147. And the amazing thing in this hosting, they are giving 5-year subscription in just $47. Okay, you get one hosted domain, 5 GB SSD storage, deals TX data center. Okay, dedicated resources. Okay, and in this $97 you get 5-year subscription and 10 hosted domains. You can use up to 10 domains in this plan. Okay, and in this plan $147 you can use unlimited domains. Okay, I'm in the SiteGround website, and here you can see their plans. Okay, $80 per month, business $120 per month, business plus you have to pay $160 per month of cloud hosting, and in this service you get 5-year subscription in just $47.